All right, boys, today we got for you a 2014 Chevy Sonic, and this is going to be an all keys loss. Car just came in from the auction, so we're going to go ahead and leash you to the door. Let's see, here we go. This is a HU100, so we're going to start on that. Okay, guys, I went ahead and pulled the lock out, make it a lot easier, comfortable. So that looks like a 2, then our 7, okay, 6, that's 1, 5, that's 1 as well, 4, 2, 3, that looks like a 3, I believe, or a 4. 2 is a 2, and then 1, and 1 is a 1. So we're going to go ahead and cut that now. All right, there's the bitting. I actually went ahead and cut a test plate and tested it does work, so we got our final key in there. We're going to go ahead and tell it to cut. All right, there it is, boys. Cut that blade. We're going to test it out now. Right. There it is. Works, boys. All right, now we got to program it. I want to use the IM608 for this. I'm going to select GM. Let me put the key in. Ignition on. I'll tell it automatic. Read. Okay, there we go. Yes. Blade key. I believe this is 1.8. Okay, let's do an emo scan. Okay, it's on. All right, I checked the key. We got a 3060, obviously, because we got a brand new key in there. So we'll do an add key. Start. Yes. We went ahead and connected up USB to the VCI. Okay. Reading. All right, 6216. Ignition is on. Okay. Closed all doors. We do have the hood open, but I don't think it's going to matter. Yes. Ignition is on. 6216, yes. Okay. "12 minutes, guys. I'll bring you back." All right, just finished. Ignition off, remove the key. Open and close the driver door. Let me turn off the AC. Ignition switch on. 5 seconds. No, we're just doing one key. Switch off, remove the key. Open and close the driver door. Heard the lock cycle. Okay. 45 seconds. Okay. Ignition on. Ignition off. Ignition on. Lock cycled. Number of key matches 5. So we've got it successfully added the key, guys. And that's it. Let's see if we can get a crank. Crank and start, boys. That is a success. If you didn't notice, now you know. And knowing is half the battle, boys. Click that thumbs up button, guys. See you on the next one.